Today we are going to be unboxing another month's Boxycharm. I believe this is January's box. December's box, it didn't work out with filming and editing when it came down to leaving for my honeymoon because the box came about the same time as packing and leaving. That's just entirely on Boxycharm, making sure that they send to creators before they send to actual paying customers. That being said, we are going to just ignore the fact that I missed last month and we're going to get right into January's box. So this month's theme is Boxy and Chill. The big reveal. Ooh. As usual, I do not have anything on my face currently, so we can try these products out once I finish unboxing them. The first thing that caught my eye is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Sizzle Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, that is so pretty. Nice and pretty pink rosy tones. Very pretty. I will say right away, there are no matte shades in this palette. So you can't just use this palette on its own. Everything has at least a little bit of shimmer in it. That palette runs for $36. Next thing I see in here is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouge lipstick. I have one of these actually and I love the color. This is in... Alright, well this is the color I have, so that's a little disappointing. That's alright, we can give this one to someone else, but this is in the color Sour Cherry and kind of amazing that I own one of them and this happens to be the color I own, but that's okay. That's alright. I'm going to go grab mine so I'm not using this one so that we can include this in a giveaway in the future. That retails for $26. Next thing in here is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Awesome, so this is for your hair and you just spray it throughout your freshly washed hair and it's basically just a leave-in conditioner that will help to detangle and make your hair healthier, which is awesome because I am running out of the one I'm currently using and wasn't a big fan of that one, so I am excited to try this one out. And that retails for $16, so I am excited about that as well. The next thing in here is from Cella, Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. In case you didn't know, I got my brows micro shaded, so there's no product in them right now and I have not been doing my brows. So it looks like it's two-ended and on one side is the gel and the other side is the brush. So that's kind of cool that you can travel with this and it's nice and compact. This retails for $26. The last thing in here is actually super exciting. Are two of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. So that is so exciting. I've heard amazing things about Tatcha, just never tried them. This is for normal to dry skin. I am really excited to try these face masks out because everyone raves about how good Tatcha is for making your skin nice and hydrated. I am so excited to try that out. And this 2-pack retails for $24. Alright, so you guys know how this all works. I'm going to start trying out these products. I am not going to waste one of these masks though. It's the middle of the day. I'm not gonna put a mask on. We are going to try out just these 3 products, and again I'm gonna go grab mine really quick of this exact same color. Okay guys, I am back and I did some bronzer, blush, highlight, concealer, and concealed my eyelids so that we could get on with the products that are actually in the box. I also did a little bit of a transition shade in my crease because like I said, there's no, like, this is not a matte shade. Well, it's probably matte enough. Do I dare? Why do people avoid shimmers in the crease? I'm going to talk about that while I put a shimmer in my crease. I'm gonna grab this dark brown here on a nice thin crease brush. Shimmer in the crease ages you because it accentuates the droopiness of your creases in your eyes. So it can make you look older, more tired, etc. This color, however, isn't translating as super shimmery, so I guess that's a plus. I think I'm gonna play around with this color here. It's a rose gold, so it's not too pink. Some of these colors are way too pink to pair with a red lipstick, in my opinion. So it's kind of a weird combination in the box, but that's okay. To this color right here called High Tide. I'll zoom you guys in. I feel like I should do that. It's really pretty. It actually looks really coppery on my lid. I'm gonna try it with my finger. Oh yeah, there we go. That's much better. I have to photograph a hockey game tonight, so let's make sure we get as glammed as possible. Looking pretty sultry for a photographer who's just there to photograph a girls' hockey game. I'm going to work on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna dip into Off Duty with a pencil brush. I think I'm gonna take Kite Surf on the top here just to do the inner corner. This is a little bit of a more firmly pressed color. Ooh, playa. And put that on my brow bone. That's leaving something to be desired, so I'm gonna dip into Kite Surf for that. That's better. That color wasn't really doing literally anything. I'm going to try out the brow product, which I'm kind of nervous about. I haven't done my brows in quite a while, so this could be a disaster. But you can't really tell like how much product you're getting when you dip into it, because it's literally just like in this hole. So that's one brow done. Got dark nice and quick. In case you're wondering, I don't really know how to do my brows anymore. It's kind of hard to see when you're on this, like your opposite eye, like what you're doing, because it's like chubby and thick. Like it's short and thick is what I meant. It's a good, nice, quick coat on your brows, and you like don't feel them on there at all. It's actually kind of powdery feeling and looking once you get it applied. But yeah, so those are my brows and the eyes. Okay, so we added a little bit of top liner and some mascara, and it really just brought the whole look together in my opinion. Put on some lipstick. It is mine, not the box's. This is Sour Cherry by Bite in the Amuse Bouche line. So this is the finished look. This I'm super excited about actually. I love the colors so far in this, and I think this will be a great addition for my kit because I travel and do bridal makeup and prom makeup, and I think that everyone loves a little bit of shimmer in their looks, and this is going to tie a lot of shimmers that I use all into one palette. Super excited to use this. I do actually really like this eyebrow gel brow cream. It's not, I can't feel it on my brows at all, and the color is nice for me, so I actually really like this. It was a really quick application and good for when I want to have something in my brows. I, of course, love this lip product. That's why I own it. I forgot to add up the total of the box. I just realized. Total value of the box adds up to $128, and you pay $21 without shipping fees. If you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll have my own personal referral link down in the description box. It is a really good box if you don't go buy makeup very often and you want to keep updating your supply. I think that this is a great way to get nice products for cheaper. That is the January Boxycharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. I will see you all in my next video, and in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys!